Hi everyone, Jackie Shaw from Get Organized coming to you from the Lynn Benton Community College Computer Lab. We're going to talk about a topic today that's important for the trades industry, specifically remodelers and people that are doing home construction and that sort of thing. And the topic is the labor burden allocation. It's really vital that QuickBooks is set up to handle a labor burden allocation so you truly understand the cost of your employees in the field. So we're going to do a little demo here to show you what the labor burden allocation looks like. The labor burden is based on a set of accounts called Indirect Expenses. And I will say we're using these fabulous gelato containers for our exercise. If you need to get gelato now that you've seen this fabulous gelato container, we'll pause. Okay, now we have to get to work. So this is a group of accounts called Indirect Expenses. They are based off of all the expenses that are related to having field staff. That includes when they get paid for non-billable time, like cleaning the shop. It includes when they get paid for sick leave and vacation. It's the cost of having tools available. It's the cost of field vehicles. Whoop. It's the cost of safety equipment and safety training. We have uniforms and non-billable expenses, all the nuts and bolts that you keep in the vans and trucks so that people have things on hand. And so that's the indirect expense group. It ends up constituting the labor burden. And next, what we want to do is set up in payroll a system so that when we have money going to our different jobs, and so here's our cost of goods sold accounts. So here's payroll coming into our different jobs. We'll get some decent amounts of money here to shove in here. So as payroll gets assigned to the different jobs, so do taxes. And then we also are taking burden allocation out of indirect and allocating it into COGS based on the amount of dollars that we have assigned to the particular jobs. This is how we do a burden allocation in QuickBooks. We're setting up a payroll item that takes our money out of indirect expenses and assigns it to jobs. This is the labor burden allocation.